Okay, hello guys, and welcome to my stock analysis for tomorrow's intraday equity trading. I won't be coming online tomorrow, maybe. Let's see. For tomorrow, right now I have Cipla. Cipla is, if you take this as a range, you have to wait for the breakout. Right now it's in between. So, if it is a downside or a higher side, you can go according to that. Both sides, it's a huge target as well, but you can reduce the target. Make sure you get a profit for intraday because it won't move much, like 2-3%. If it is going breaking downside, take point 1 almost 2% target on the lower side minimum, higher side 2% target on both the sides. So this range, it might keep continuing to go in this range, so you just have to see that. Then Cipla almost results came out. After that it just kept falling. Usually if the results are good, it will take minimum of 3-4 days to react according to that. So you can expect one good move up. Then depending on the market news and other things, I think you can expect it to go down or up. Then we have Sun Pharma. In past few days Sun Pharma was consolidating and it was forming a triangle. But even today it gave a small breakout, then it just went sideways. So I had to reconsider my analysis, and right now it's trading in a range like a channel. So we'll wait for a breakout in from this channel. Hope it's a downside breakout because after the results it went back so high. Usually it will fall back down to cover up all these things. If you know forex trading, then they try to they say this is an imbalance here. Same thing, they could get the price down. I'll show some example in some other stocks as we go on. So Sun Pharma, we have a channel breaking. Use pivot points for target and stop losses for this. Then we have iShare Motors. iShare Motor as well, it's in a channel. You can take a different approach as well for this channel. I've taken it in a angled way. You can take it straight, but let's see. Uh, Downside target also is good. Upside target, you really don't have anything. You can take pivot points and see targets. For tomorrow's targets, you can check tomorrow's pivot points. But for now, let's keep. And you can use 200 moving average as a target as well. So if you think it won't fall back so low, you can take minimum target of 1.5. Let's see. Then we have a lot of stocks to trade, but it's not mostly pattern trading. It's somewhere around levels and understanding. So we have Tata Power. So Tata Power gave a breakout on the lower side. It was in a rally. So for tomorrow you have to see whether it's finding a rejection here and break, or either breaking out on the higher side. So that's the two things you can wait. This is a major it used to be a support, right now it can act as a resistance. It acted as a resistance once. It can act as resistance again. If it takes a resistance, you can get a good target as 2.5%. On a higher side, minimum of 1.3%. 1.5% minimum you get. So we have Tata Power. Then Matsumi. Yeah, this stock, I'll remove this chunk. We don't want this. low on this one. If you see on a daily time frame, it gave a breakout today on the lower side. So for tomorrow, if this is a bear trap which we experienced today in live trading, which I fell for, if it's the same thing tomorrow, then this will be a good green candle for tomorrow. This is for swing trading. Check out for tomorrow's candle. But if it is a red candle, then futures you can trade, but wait for a small retest. Then I think you can take a target till 197. But usually market, I don't think it'll fall for Madasumi so soon. So let's see. Mostly I'm expecting a good green candle tomorrow to come back inside. Today's Wipro did the same thing. Sadly, I took to early judgment as well. Today's Wipro, see, gave you a good breakout. Next candle went back in, went back out. This was a trap which I fell for. I knew it was a trap, but I didn't take this target because I was married to my shorting position, because I was emotionally not ready. Once it hit my stop loss, I was gone. Then I never took a trade after that because emotionally I was not stable anymore. Then it's useless. So I just left for today's trade. So next one, okay, Madasumi, we can look out for that. So this was a level. You can see huge rejection on the higher side as well. Big candle on the downside as well. There was some things going on here with high volume. So let's see. Then we have Indesign Bank. This is simple, near the support level, that's all. If it breaks a support, we can take a target here. If it breaks the support, you can take a target 1.5%. If it doesn't, then I'm not sure, but it could just go sideways. Depending on your strategies and the chart pattern reading, you can take a long position, but right now I'm only here for shorting this one. Let's see. It might come back up to this level because this thing usually means profit booking. So it might come to this level and just go sideways. So let's see what happens. Then we have Hdfc. It's somewhat like a inverse head and shoulder pattern. If you see, I'll reduce the opacity of this. Once, twice, third time, we are here. In case tomorrow is a gap up, buy instantly. For target, do we have any level or is it at a all-time high? Okay, there is a possibility of going higher as well. As you can see on a daily time frame, it had given a breakout on this chart, so there is a possibility it could go higher tomorrow. For target, we can take this candle high or this one. I think we can take this one. That's the biggest target. Then let's see what happens tomorrow. who knows if the market falls like today in the afternoon, like in the afternoon session. Right now everything is in a profit booking stage, and only because of these banks even Nifty is getting supported. So this is our target, around 2% possible. Let's see if it's a good breakout. If it's a gap up, then we can expect it. Mostly tomorrow it might gap up and hit our target in the next first 5-10 minutes as well. So this is usually what happens to me. So next one we have Mindtree. This is clearly one channel, so it's in the bottom half. This was the rally at one point one day. It's just covering that up right now. Like I showed Sun Pharma, same thing is happening here. There are many stocks which are doing the same thing. Good example right now will be Hindalco and all the steel sector. See, that was one day rally because of some news. Right now it's all falling down. It's falling down slowly. Even here there's a channel pattern, but I'm not taking a trade. It's not clean. Even a sale, it went up, covered down. Right now it's a support level. So let's see what happens. Then we have, okay, I showed you Mindtree, a channel. Wait for a breakout on a higher side, but on a higher side be careful. I'm hoping for a breakout on the lower side because it's near to the bottom line. So if it breaks out, easy target of 2%. This stock usually moves at around 1 to 2% every day, so it's easy to get 2% target. One thing you have to wait and watch is reversal somewhere in this range, that is around 1% range. So let's see what happens tomorrow, or it could just take a reversal at this point and go back higher up. So you can take a trade from here to here as well. It's around 1.8%. Then we have Emphasis. Even this stock today, I was about to short it here, but I was not emotionally stable. That's why I just didn't take any trades after that. Once your stop loss is hit, you're somewhat a different person. So it was better that I didn't take a trade anything. So let's see. It's in a range. This was a small breakout. Then this wick, I knew this wick would be a good stop loss. I was about to short it here and put my stop loss somewhere over here, but then I just left it. It came back down in the afternoon because of some issues, or who knows what news they have put out. So just find any reversal at this range or this range. You can get a good target and stop target of 2.4% every day. It usually moves in that range. At least 1% you get of movement up or down. Then we have, I think there's one more. No, we have still two more. I don't think I have to repeat it again because you can just replay the video. So let's see. Why is okay. Htfc Bank, there's a trend line right now. Since tomorrow Htfc is going up, if it goes up, not it is going up, if it goes up, then Hdfc Bank, I don't think I can take a trade. I can take a trade, but I'm not sure why. Proper stop loss target, I'm not sure. I can keep a stop loss below here and take a long position, but I'm planning for shorting this. First thing, it will break line. then you have some rejections over here, then after that you will get around 1.7% after this level is gone. So let's see, it's been climbing from past few days. Let's see whether tomorrow is a good day for banks or not. Then we have IGL. IGL on a larger time frame, it's somewhere in the support region. This is in a daily time frame, somewhere in the support region. So if tomorrow's candle is red, you can go for a swing trade till here, around 6% you can try taking. It could be 6 or it could be less, but in case if to the 200 moving average in a daily time frame, then I think you have to reconsider about the market going up anymore. But for now, let's see tomorrow. This is for swing trade only, just keep an eye out. There are many stocks like this, but I just showed one. This will be the last stock for today. For tomorrow's analysis, we have Indigo. Indigo is consolidating here in a smaller time frame. See, this used to be followed properly. It has been taking support from this line a lot of times. Here it came down. I knew it will come till here, then have some issues going down. That's why I didn't take it trade. Then it went back up. Right now again it's taking this level as a new support and resistance. Okay, this will be the new support, last support, and the price is almost near to that support. So if in case it breaks, then you can take a good target. What will you take as a target? First thing, you can always use your pivot points. Second thing, let the screen load in, because Indigo right now market is not great for you can take this for intraday around 61615. That's the first target. Then according to pivot points you can take minimum of S2 S3 1608. But once if this level is broken, then it's a good breakout as well. If it breaks, this is after a long time, it's going to break that level. Anyway, the market is sideways, so next thing it's just down trade. Consolidation is done, distribution is going on right now. So let's see whether some market have already started with distribution. Then we have this one as well. If you want, you can trade. Small support range, resistance, has taken support here before. Right now support here, resistance here, so this level and this level is good. Check for breakout. This is M&M Finance. That's all for tomorrow, so I won't be going live because of whatever emotions I can't trade intraday going live. I thought I could do that, but that was the point of going live. But I think for few days I'll go offline and then try to get profitable trades. Thanks for watching. Let's see whether I'll take a trade tomorrow. If I'm in a trade, then I'll just go online, show what is my position, then close the trade, close the video after that. So let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Good night.